Welcome to MathJip. This video I'm going to simplify some cubic expressions. First question number 10. Number 10 here is given m plus 1 by m equal a. We have to find the value of m cube plus 1 by m cube. We know a cube plus b cube. To find the value, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab times a plus b. Therefore here is m cube plus 1 by m cube. So m cube plus 1 by m cube equal m plus 1 by m whole cube minus 3 times m times 1 by m times m plus 1 by m. Here we consider a means m and b means 1 by m, and just we follow the rule. So here m and 1 by m, we can divide m plus 1 by m. We already know this is a. So a cube minus 3 m plus 1 by m is a, and this is our answer, a cube minus 3a. So number 10 done. I hope you understand this one. Number 11, given x minus 1 by x equals to p. Find the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube. Here x cube minus 1 by x cube. We know the rule, which is a cube minus b cube. It means a minus b whole cube plus 3ab times a minus b. Therefore here is x is a and 1 by x is b. So we can write a minus b. It means x minus 1 by x whole cube, then plus 3, a means x, b means 1 by x times a minus b. It means x minus 1 by x. Now we can put the value, x minus 1 by x means p. So p cube plus x and 1 by x, so it's out. So here is 3 times x minus 1 by x means what? P. So we can p. So p cube plus 3p is our answer. Number 12, if a minus 1 by a equals to 1, show that a cube minus 1 by a cube equals to 4. So here given a minus 1 by a equals to 1. Left hand side, a cube minus 1 by a cube. We know the rule, a minus 1 by a whole cube plus 3 times a times 1 by a times a minus 1 by a. So a minus 1 by a means 1, and here is 1 cube plus a 1 by a out, 3 times a minus 1 by a is a 1. So 1 cube means 1, 3 times 1 means 3. So answer is 4, and which is right hand side. So we can say left hand side equals to right hand side. Short. Okay, it's a very simple. So first 13 1, we can write given a plus b plus c equals to 0. This one we need to do something, because here is mentioned a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So we consider a plus b equals to minus c, because plus c we want to transfer left side to right side. Now left hand side, a cube plus b cube plus c cube. First we have to work a cube plus b cube. Against this one we can write a plus b whole cube minus 3ab times a plus b, and here is plus c cube plus c cube. We know a plus b, it means minus c, so we can write minus c whole cube minus 3ab, and this a plus b is a minus c, and here is plus c cube. Minus cube means minus, because minus times minus times minus, so minus and minus plus, and here is minus, finally minus. Okay, we know this one. So minus c cube is a minus c cube, and here is minus c and here is minus, it will become plus 3abc, and here is plus c cube. So minus c cube and plus c cube out, so here is 3abc, which is right hand side. So this is already showed or proved. Okay, so first one done. 13, 2 is a very interesting and important. We already know a plus b plus c equals to what? 0, right? So from this one we can write one, a plus b equals to minus c, we can make this one. Second, we can write b plus c equals to minus a, and finally also we can write c plus a equals to minus b. Okay, and from part 1 already get a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. This one we already get. Therefore left hand side, so left hand side here is b plus c whole square divide 3bc plus c plus a whole square divide 3ca plus a plus b whole square divide 3ab. Now we can put the value something. Look, b plus c whole square, b plus c means what? Minus a, so minus a square means a square, and here is 3bc plus c plus a, c plus a is a minus b, so minus b square means b square, and here is 3ca plus a plus b, a plus b is a minus c, so minus c square means c square, and here is 3ab. Okay, now look, 3bc, 3ca, 3ab, if we make LCM it should be 3abc, right? Now 3abc divide 3bc, so a will be left, so a and a square times it means a cube plus 3abc divide 3ca, so we will get b, b times b square is a b cube plus 3abc divide 3ab, so we will get c, c and c square times it will be c cube, right? Now back to number 1. Here is, we already mentioned a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. So against a cube plus b cube plus c cube, we can write 3abc, and here is 3abc. We can write a subnote, a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3abc. We can write from quotient 1. Okay. Now look, 3abc divide 3abc, it should be 1. So our answer is 1. So it's not, we can write answer, it should be right hand side. Okay, our solution done, it's a proved. Look, b plus c whole square divide 3abc, c plus a whole square divide 3ca plus a plus b whole square divide 3b equals to 1. We proved that this is 1. So thank you very much being with me. I am trying to simplify cubic expression, which is very important for international level, any kinds of math examination, especially grade 9 and 10. So please subscribe my channel, which is Math Jeep. Previously it was Home of Math. So subscribe my channel and share with your friends. I hope by this channel you will get lots of things. Thank you.